Welcome to Forex Mentor. So before we start the analysis, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me everywhere on the social media platforms to stay up to date. Links are in the descriptions. So let's start. So last week I told you that we might see some corrective structure over here before go downwards, and I also mentioned this that if the price break this area with a strong impulsive move, then we might see some downward moves, but price did not break it with an impulsive move and create a beautiful fake out over here to trap the retail traders before go further upwards. So my overall opinion about the Euro USD is still same. You see here that the price is creating an expanding triangle pattern over here, corrective triangle pattern. So next week we might see some corrective structure over here before go further downward, and this is my target is still the same, and my overall opinion about the USD is still downside down move. So this is the pound USD. Last week I told you that this is a strong support zone, and I also mentioned that I am pretty much bullish to create double top before go further downwards. But before I give you my opinion about the upward move, I also told you that if price break this strong support zone, then we might see some downward move to meet our target, and I also share my target over this area, and price is moving as I expected. Price break this area with a strong impulsive move and go downwards to meet our target. So what will be the next move of pound USD? So the next move of pound USD is still downside down move, a short term down move and long term up move. So if price showing some kind of weakness over this area, then we might see some upward move. From now I am avoid any short position, and I am only looking for some beautiful long positions, because the short positions are for short term and the long position are for the long terms. So my overall opinion about the pound USD is now upside up move. So this is the Euro Yen. Last week I told you that we might see some corrective structure over here, and price may go further downward to meet our target, and I also told you that this is my target, and also told you that this is also a strong support zone. So price is moving as we expected and meet our target. Hope you are in a good profits. So what will be the next move of Euro Yen? So the next move of Euro Yen is price may create some upward moves to go further downwards. So all my view about the Euro Yen is still downside down move, but we might see some upward moves for a short term and downward move for a long term. So avoid any long position and only focus on some short positions, with my longer term target over here. So this is my longer term target of Euro Yen. So this is the pound yen. Last week I told you that we might see some upward move to complete the structure, but I also told you that price is moving around this strong support zone. So if price break this with an impulsive move, then we might see some downward moves, and I also share my target over here. So we meet our target. Hope you are in a good profits. So what will be the move? What will be the next move of pound yen? So price is now hovering around this strong weekly and monthly support. If price break this area with a strong impulsive move, then we might see some further downward moves. But from now, I am only looking for some long position and avoid any short positions, because short position are short term and the long position are for long terms. So my overall opinion about the pound yen is now upside up move with these targets. These two are my longer term targets of GBP yen. So this is the euro pound. So you see here the euro pound rallying beautifully strongly upward, but after completing this move, now we might see some downward moves to test this area. From now, I am only looking for some short positions and avoid any kind of long position, because the long positions are for short term and the short positions are for long terms. If price did not stop over this area, then we might see some upward move, further upward moves to test this area before go downwards. So now if you buy from this area, then it is very dangerous. So I'm only looking for short positions and avoid any kind of long positions.